Hey guys, I'm going for coffee. Quickly, I am running late, so I'm literally just wearing some gold jewelry, white top from Zara. These trousers are from Zara, New Balance. You can't see them, but you already know. My bag is from Nasty Gal. I'm literally meant to be there now. I need to breathe. I'm wearing YSL Libre, but I'm taking it in my bag, my small one, because, you know, I think it's cold outside, but not too cold. Yeah, this is brown on brown, really. My makeup looks a bit of a mess, but it's just really quick, like a quick sit down. Got blusher on, concealer on, no foundation, bit of mascara and lip. And I'm loving like reddy pinkish lips at the moment. So yeah, see you guys soon.
Crown, that's a jam. That's a jam.
Hey guys, it's Tuesday? It's Wednesday today. I just kind of got back from the gym. I'm just gonna have a shower and do like all of that kind of stuff and just chill today. Today is going to be a chill day. So today is just gonna be, I'm just gonna like do a face mask. I'm gonna watch TikToks, I'm gonna watch vlogs. I just wanna have a very wholesome day. I feel a bit tired, so I'm gonna have that. I had some ginger shots this morning, they were great. They're a little bit bitter, so I added a bit of turmeric and I added a bit of like cayenne. I added a bit of cayenne pepper as well, just to make it a little bit more fiery. But yeah, I did want to show you some boots that I picked up. Yeah, so I just picked up these boots from New Look. I really wanted some like under the knee boots because I've got some over the knee ones, but I feel like they always fall down. But I thought these would be really nice with like a mini skirt, like a little polo neck top, a jacket, you know, and they're flat. So they're flat too, so they're just easy to wear. You don't have to worry about like the uncomfortability of them or uncomfortableness. Is that a word? I don't know. But yeah, these would be really cute. I am meant to be going for lunch probably with one of my friends next week, so I'm probably going to wear this with some like leggings or tights, probably leggings, and like a cute oversized jumper. It's giving fall. So yeah, I got those. These were £50 from the New Look website directly, but I got them for 37. And New Look do like best quality boots. I've had some pairs of boots for like over 5 years from New Look, and yeah, happy about those. So I just wanted to show you those. I'm gonna get showering and starting my chill day. So I'll see you guys probably tomorrow.
Sugar, you got that something special. I felt that shit right when I met you. That shit that make these instrumentals.
Certain songs, I know I said it before, but I feel like I'm in love.
And sugar, I can never let go. I feel that shit when both our hands hold. That shit that make these instrumentals.
Certain songs, I know I said it before, but I feel like I'm in love. I told Vino I'm getting sick, huh? Sip on Vino and then it hit more. Yeah. My baby holding me down while the shroom spinning around. Towel on my mouth and then she kiss for. I hope that it's on the table. There when I'm unstable. It's the weekend, all she wanna do is listen to Abel. If you willing and able, just give me my space. I know that shit makes you anxious, but promise I'm grateful. Shawty, give me what I want and need, so she can get just what she want from me, even if just a bit of company. Yeah. of company. Sugar, you got that something
special. I felt that shit right when I met you. That shit that make these instrumentals.
Certain songs, I know I said it before, but I feel like I'm in love.
And sugar, I can never let go. I feel that shit when both our hands hold. That shit that make these instrumentals.
Certain songs, I know I said it before, but I feel like I'm in love again. Looks like I lost my favorite times. See, you've been on the mind. I've been seeing great lights, got in such a great lights. Let me talk to you in straight line and keep a space for me. Give you what you need. I'm here on my knees. Baby, please believe. Know that I'm no better. I'm just in the mood. So compromise. I know
Hey guys, it's Saturday, so I've just literally gotten back from the gym. I didn't want to go to the gym today, but I thought let me get up, move my body around because I haven't really been doing a lot. Oh my gosh, my skin looks kind of crazy. My skin looks multicolored, but it is what it is. I'm gonna end off this vlog here, I think, because I'm not doing anything else today. So I'm just gonna lock it off here. I'll probably just do like self-care and do my nails. And yeah, like nothing crazy. So just wanted to show you some things that I got from Superdrug. Don't know why I said it like that. It's mainly beauty products because I normally go for phases, and sometimes I would just buy like more skincare, or I buy more makeup, or more clothes, or more shoes. But I'm really into makeup and just base, and just making this. I'm into like lips and base at the moment. So yeah, I am into skincare as always, but you know. So I just picked up some stuff from Superdrug, and I also got some stuff from picked this up from actually boohoo.com, which is weird, but yeah, I was just on there and I thought, oh, let me get a setting spray. I'm gonna get the Charlotte Tilbury one, but in the meantime I just got this one. It's a Fresh Face matte setting spray with niacinamide, which I love, and sugar kelp. Oh, there's little particles in it. I don't even know what that means, but it is a matte setting spray. My skin's oily, so you guys already know. Thought this would be good for me. It's got niacinamide to hydrate and sugar kelp extract to mattify. So yeah, and I love the packaging. It looks cute. It's very minimal, so I love that. I love Barry M products, to be honest. Yeah, and I just thought one to hold me over until I get my Charlotte Tilbury one. But yeah, and I like the spray applicator as well. And it smells really fresh. Love that. I actually wanted to get that I wanted to get that in the summer, and it was £5, and now I think it's £6. That's because of the price hike. That doesn't surprise me. And then I also got my favorite lip gloss. I actually used to have this one, and then I finished it and I realized I think it is my favorite lip gloss ever. I'm a big lip gloss girl, as you guys know. I love lip gloss. I just wear lip gloss like I'm going out and I don't want to wear makeup. I'll just put on lip oil or lip gloss. So this one's really nice with like a dark liner, or like a purpley liner. This one is Barry M Bougie, and it's sold out in like most places, but I got it on Boohoo and I was like, okay. So yeah, I got that. Yeah, and then my stuff from Superdrug. So I just picked up some items here. Yeah, so I don't actually normally buy makeup. I felt like I was missing some things in my collection, and I was on TikTok, and as the girls say, TikTok made me buy it. So I picked up this e.l.f. Ride or Die Cherry Lip Balm. This is nice because I'm really into like lip tints at the moment, and this one is like a lip balm but it's tinted. So sometimes I don't always want to wear like clear, or I don't want to wear lip oil, or I don't want to wear a lip gloss. I just want to literally look like my lips. I want it to look like this, but with a bit more of like a blushed look. And I really like that I'm cold makeup look. Have you seen that on TikTok? It's called I am cold makeup look. Yeah, that thing on TikTok. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but I saw this and it was really good for like dark skin. This one is in Cheeky Cherry, and I think it's going to be like a nice stain, because you guys know, like in the week and stuff, I don't really wear makeup. It's not coming out. It's not coming out, but I love the packaging. I think it would look really nice. This would be nice if it doubled up as a cheek blusher as well, but it doesn't. So, but I love the packaging. And then I picked up this lip oil, guys. Look how pretty it is. It is from Revolution Beauty. You guys know I love Revolution Beauty. This is the I Heart Revolution Honey Bear Lip Oil, and it reminded me of the Clarins lip oil, which I was gonna get, but I'm not paying 20 something pounds for a lip oil. This one, but the Clarins one, it looks great and the applicator looks amazing, but I can't justify it. So yeah, I just picked up this one. I love the color, and I think this would be really nice with like a liner. I heard that they're not sticky at all, and yeah, I got this one because I like the color and I think it's cool. Right, so I was in Superdrug the other day and I saw this powder and I was, oh my god, this it's a pressed powder, #1 from Studio London. It's a matte pressed powder, and I thought this would be really nice because I actually don't have a pressed powder that matches my skin like exactly. I don't even know if this is going to match my skin, but I'll show you guys. And every time I see something like dark enough to be my shade or my shade, I have to get it because it's quite difficult to find my shade. It's not difficult, but it is kind of still. So in the drugstore anyway. But look at that powder. I really use my Revolution bronzer as my setting powder when I don't want to wear makeup at all, but this would be nice for my no makeup days with like concealer and just a bit of this. Yeah, so I picked up that, and it was 3 for 2. Did I mention it was 3 for 2? So I got all of this stuff for like something silly like £10 or something. So guys, we've got to make our money go further, you know. And then they also gave me a vitamin E lip balm. Yeah, there we go. It is this little lip balm here from Superdrug, and I feel like they heard me. No, I knew I was going to get a free gift anyway. And it's a vitamin E natural lip balm. I don't wear lip balm, I normally wear lip oil, but this would be nice just to throw in my bag, especially like before I go to the gym. Like I always put something on my lips as well. Yeah, so I got those things, and then I also got a little sample of the Perfect perfume by Marc Jacobs. So this would be nice to keep in my bag, and it smells lovely from what I can smell. I've heard a lot of stuff about this perfume. Oh, this is the intense version. Oh, daffodil, golden roasted almonds, jasmine, velvety sandalwood. This sounds like a bit of me, so I'm gonna try that probably after I have a shower, just so I can feel, you know, like clean and fresh. But yeah, I think that's it now for the vlog. I'm gonna literally chill and eat the brown stew chicken that I made, guys. It was 10 out of 10, and probably just chill, watch a movie and stuff, and do some self-care. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much, guys. Appreciate everyone who's watching, and I hope you like these vlogs. And yeah, thank you again, guys. Love you all. Bye.